Hey folks, it's Tom, your frugal prepper. I'm gonna try to fit this big GMC Yukon Denali thing in the front of my garage. I didn't have to cover the front license plate. It don't have one. It's illegal in Ohio. A bunch of people do it though. But anyway, it's got a broken door handle on the driver's side. The owner got a door handle from somewhere and brought it. There's never a shortage of broken door handles on GMs. I don't know why they can't design a door handle that's strong, but they break a lot. I haven't done one of these specifically before, but usually, pop some panels out, take some bolts out, unplug some stuff, and put the handle on. It's not usually too bad. Looks like even though it's a big fancy Denali, it's just got the cheap plastic door panel that pops off with the speed clips. So we'll get started on it here. Alright, you can see the broken door handle here. Before I get too far along, I'm going to look at his part and make sure it's the right thing. Only the driver's side has the keyhole in it. The rest of them do not. Okay, so it looks like I see a little clip here on this door lock. That piece probably comes out. Down under here is a piece. Behind this is a piece. Probably a bolt behind there. It looks like this would pop up out of here and probably unplug. I don't really see anything else. There's no screws on the bottom. I think that all the rest of that is just speed clips that pop out. So let's get started. Just gonna grab this with a pick right here from the top. Let me get a screw flathead here. There we go. Okay, and then we gotta get these little panels popped out. There we go. Okay, and then there's this little panel back here. It's actually got us a little access point right at the bottom that you can't really use because of this handle. There we go. Okay, so I think this thing probably comes out of here. Feels like there's clips in the front and the back. Oh, I folded in the mirrors. Unlocked. Okay, so now it looks like we just got to unplug all these connectors. They're all color coded and they only go in one way, I'm sure. Okay. Yeah, it's got the colors right on it here. Alright, so now I'm just going to take these bolts out. There's two of them under the handle here, 10mm. It's one thing I like about GM, you can fix just about everything with a 10, a 13, and a 15. And then you get into the big bolts, like the motor mounts are usually like 18. Try not to lose this bolt. The Harbor Freight light's good for more than one use. Alright, now we're going to take this bolt out up here by the door handle. There'll probably be more wires for these controls here for the seats and stuff. It looks like you got to get to those after you pop the door panel off. Alright, now I'm just going to get down here with some plastic tools and see if we can get the bottom of this door panel loose. And then we'll start on the rest. Yeah, they're tight. What you can do is once you get one of the plastic tools in, let's get this metal tool up under here. And use that plastic tool to keep from scratching anything. Whew, she's in there tight. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. This piece over here by this mirror's got to come off for that to slide up right. I think that will just slide up now. That's the part that's attached to the panel. Okay. There's some little speed clips back here. This is pretty torn up. This panel's been off before. And can't really see it, but there's a cable here. We've got to get loose. And let me show you here. There's this one cable right back here. Just gotta get some pliers and squeeze the end of that. So that little guy right there. So you gotta get some pliers and squeeze those two little tabs, and that cable will come out of there. And then I think we're ready to get to the door handle. Alright, so I'm just gonna get down in here with just a pair of pliers. Try and get this little doohickey loose. There we go. All we need is just a little patience. Alright, now I'm going to go move this door panel somewhere safe. Alright, so I'm trying to get this bolt out. I'm trying to hold on to this little pin over here so that I can, because it's just bending on the other side. I think I got it loose. I'm going to get a magnet and see if I can get it out. not quite ready yet. Alright, let me see if I can grab it here. I'll take you around for a camera angle from the other side. Okay, I gotta get these pliers down in here carefully without scratching any paint. And get on this little, see there. I'm loosening it from the inside. Success. Right there. Okay, it looks like I'm going to fight this other one the same way. Right there. Although that looks a little easier to get to. I'll just grab it with the towel here. Get a socket on it. That sucker's a lot tighter. Hang on, let me get something better to grab this with. And success. Okay, there we go. You see there's a rod there that's got to come out. And there's a plasticky one right here. Let me bring you up here a little closer. I'm just going to get this little plastic rod on out of here. Looks like we can do that. This is for the lock assembly. There. Okay, that one's loose. And now this one, looks like it just wiggles, goes up that way. Alright, I think we gotta put this lock cylinder in the other piece and maybe this gasket right here. So, we'll see what we gotta do. Let me get the new part out here. We got the Depot auto door handle. It's from the Depot. Chevy door handle Depot. Alright, let's go ahead and get this one opened up. Not too chancy. So it looks like there is a clip here that we gotta pull out. Get this lock cylinder out. Let's see if I can show you. This clip, and it just pulls out right up here. And the key is not to let it go flying off in some remote part of the garage. There we go. Alright. I'm guessing, yeah, that just comes out the back, like so. It looks like our clip just slides right back down in here. No, that's not cool. Oh, hey, there's already a clip on this one. They give you a clip. So I gotta take that clip out, maybe. Oh, it's just designed so that that clip stays in place, and this lock will just slide right down. Lock in place with that clip. Sweet. Alright. So, now we just gotta put this thing back on the car. I'll leave the plastic on here until I'm done. Keep from scratching anything up. Keep things nice. Put our little door lock part on. Get this all tucked down in here. I may have to take that loose in order to get that to come down. Almost. There. Alright, he's on there. So I'll put that back over just to hold on to it all there. Alright, now I just got to get the bolts back in here. When you drop the bolt, oh no, it's over here. Okay. Alright. Nope. It must be down in here. It must have fell. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's make sure the lock works. Just gonna put the key in here. Yep. Alright, so we're pretty much ready to put everything back together now. Alright, now I just gotta get this door panel back on here. I'm gonna start by putting this this little cable has to go through here. All these little cables got to come up here. But this door cable is the main thing, and it's going to come in there and then clip in here. And then all this has to come back go through here. You know, these wires. This thing must have a 20-mile wiring harness in it, man. I'm telling you. It's loaded with electronics. I hate to see the wiring diagram for this thing, man. Lord. Alright, now we just got to get it tucked back down in here. get our rod back in here. There's all kinds of, man, this thing's had a broken window before. There's all kinds of glass up in here in my way. Probably when an accident happened. Dead bees too. Okay. Alright, let me get all that out of my way first. Oh, there's a bunch of broken glass down in here. Never got out. And more broken glass. Okay. Now, I'm just going to get that up over that lip. Real good there. This looks good. Alright, so that's on. This bolt's in. And let's get these other two bolts in down here under the door handle. And we're going to put our door lock thing back on here. Okay. Plastic cover back in the door handle here. And should be another plastic cover. I hate it when this happens. I gotta take that back off. Alright, let me take this back off and put these grommets on and I'll be back. Okay, now I'm gonna put this clip back in here. Okay, now I'm gonna pull all these connectors out. Hopefully I got them all. Let's see, we got colors on the back. Looks like I'm missing one. Uh-oh. I don't see one that says green. I don't see a green one. Okay, so I went back and reviewed the video. I'm good. There's only 5 wires on here. These others must be for other options that some vehicles have or whatever. So now we'll just pop this down in here. I'm just going to make sure that everything works. Let me find the keys. See, the mirror's out. Oh no, hang on. That's that button. Mirrors adjust. Put the mirrors in. Window down. We'll roll it down all the way and make sure it goes okay. Put the other windows, make sure they work. They do. The lockout seems to work. It lights up. That works. Oh, I'm going to check the seat position. Thingamabob. There's the heater. There's some other stuff. There's some stuff. Here's the position. Alright, there we go. We're set. Yeah, it's a little harder than I thought it was just because I haven't done one of these particular ones before, but I got it done. All in all, not too hard. Just don't forget anything and take your time with it and go slow. Alright, another day, another dollar. I'm going to go in, try to relax. It's Saturday. I had to work today and then come home and do this. So I'll talk to y'all later. This is Tom, your Frugal Prepper.